trap. If you're still broke, it's not because of bad luck. It's because you're too damn comfortable with mediocrity. You've been fed lies that make you think working hard and getting by is enough. Spoiler alert, it's not. Financial freedom is earned by those who get real with themselves and face the hard truth. So if you're ready to stop being lazy and start taking control, stick around. If not, keep living your miserable paycheck to paycheck life. You got it, my man. Let's get this rolling. If you're feeling good about the hook and intro, the next step is mapping out your video's body and closing. Want to dive into that? I'm here to help you keep this momentum going. They say money can't buy happiness, but let's be real. Being broke sure as hell buys stress, health problems, and broken dreams. Financial freedom isn't just about money, it's about creating a life where you call the shots. In this video, we're going to dive into why staying broke is a choice and what you can do about it. Let's get into the truth most people won't tell you. Why being broke keeps you stuck. Being broke isn't just about money, it's a trap. You don't eat well, you don't sleep well, and you sure as hell don't have time to dream big. Everything revolves around survival. That's why broke people stay broke. They're too busy fighting fires to even think about building a future. If this sounds familiar, good. Awareness is step one. The truth about financial freedom. Forget the Instagram nonsense. Financial freedom isn't Ferraris and private jets. It's about never worrying about rent, never saying I can't afford that, and never trading hours for dollars. It's about owning your life. Think about it. How much is your freedom worth? How much is it costing you to stay broke? Why most people fail. Here's the hard truth. Most people don't make it because they're lazy, scared, or stuck in the system. But instead of owning that, they drown themselves in bullshit excuses. Let me break this down for you, and I'm not sugarcoating anything. Number one, laziness, the real dream killer. Let's call it what it is. Most people are fucking lazy. They say they want to change their life, but they won't lift a finger to make it happen. Like, you'll sit your ass on the couch scrolling TikTok or Netflix crying about how you're broke. But when someone tells you to read a book, build a skill, or start a side hustle, it's suddenly too hard. Here's the deal. Success isn't glamorous. It's boring, repetitive, and takes actual work. But no, most of you would rather sit there, comfortable as hell, waiting for a magic pill that doesn't fucking exist. Hard-hitting line, comfort is a goddamn drug, and most people are overdosing on it daily. 2, fear, the excuse you're hiding behind. And then there's fear. Fear of looking stupid, fear of losing money, fear of failing in front of everyone. Let me tell you something, fear is bullshit. It's the biggest lie you've sold yourself. You're scared to invest $100 in yourself, but you'll blow $500 on a weekend partying. You're scared to start something new because what? Karen from accounting might laugh? Grow the hell up. 3, the system is rigged and you're playing their game. Now let's talk about the real scam, the system. School doesn't teach you how to make money. It teaches you how to be a goddamn worker. College, that's just a legal scam to dump you in debt. And your job, it's not a career, it's a cage. But here's what they don't want you to know. The system is rigged and the rules are designed to screw you over. Taxes take half your paycheck, inflation eats the rest, and you're out here clapping like a seal for a 3% raise that doesn't even cover gas prices. Hard-hitting line. Wake the fuck up. The system isn't broken. It's doing exactly what it was designed to do. Keep you broke, obedient, and working till you die. 4, stop blaming everyone else. And now for the grand finale, blame. Most people blame their parents, the government, their boss, or the universe itself for their shitty lives. Here's the truth. They don't owe you a damn thing. Your parents didn't teach you about money. So what? The government screws you over. Boo-hoo. Life didn't hand you a lucky break. Join the damn club. Sitting there whining about how unfair life is won't pay your bills or change your bank account. Final punch, no one is coming to save your ass. You either take responsibility or you stay stuck. End of story. So Here's your choice. Keep feeding yourself that lazy ass, scared shitless, blame everyone else bullshit, or wake the hell up and start taking control. The world doesn't care about your excuses, and neither do I. Oof, that's some harsh truth right there. But sometimes tough love is what people need to hear in order to shake them out of their complacency and take charge of their lives. It might not be easy, but it's the only way to break free from the cycle of mediocrity and start living the life you want. And here's the worst part. Most people are full of excuses, pointing fingers at everyone but themselves. Oh, it's my parents' fault. They didn't teach me how to save money. The government screwed me over with taxes. I didn't get lucky like that guy who hit it big on crypto. Newsflash, nobody gives a damn about your sob story. Let me ask you something. When was the last time whining paid your bills or blaming your boss gave you a raise? The reality is harsh but simple. No one's coming to save you. Not your parents, not the government, not your boss, not some mythical knight in shining armor. The only person responsible for your shitty situation is staring back at you in the mirror. You've got two choices. Keep crying about how unfair life is, or grow the fuck up and take control. Because here's the brutal truth. The world doesn't care about you. Life is unfair to everyone. Some people use it as fuel, and the rest, they sit on their asses making excuses until they die broke and forgotten. That's the harsh reality. Life can be tough and unfair, and it's easy to fall into the trap of self-pity and blaming others for your circumstances. The second you stop blaming everyone else and take 100% responsibility, your life changes. Period. Until then, you're just another whiner stuck in an endless loop of excuses. So what's it going to be? Blame or boss up? Here's the deal. I'm a self-made multi-millionaire. I've built my life from the ground up, and yeah, I think I'm living a damn good one. But you know what? It's not enough. My purpose isn't just to enjoy my success. It's to create 1 million more millionaires. That's my mission. And let me tell you, it's not going to be quick, and it sure as hell won't be easy, but I'm ready to share everything I know to get us there. Every lesson I've learned as a millionaire, from money to mindset, health to relationships, every single aspect that matters, I'm putting it all on the table. At the end of the day, this is about more than just money. It's about independence, freedom, and breaking free from the bullshit that's been holding you back. Now here's where it gets real. This might be the last time you see me on YouTube unless you hit that subscribe button. Give me the chance to share my experience with you. Maybe, just maybe, this is my purpose. To create 1 million millionaires who actually get it. So help me make my dream a reality. Watch the next step-by-step videos where I'll show you how to become a real millionaire, not with shortcuts or gimmicks, but with hard-earned truths that will change how you see the world. Trust me, you're about to learn how the game really works. Until next time, keep moving forward. Let's make this happen.